Okay, so I am now opening up my latest package. This is so good. Want to know what it is? Soap. It's like the world's best soap, and I'm not exaggerating. Okay. She packs this up very well. These are handmade soaps, by the way. Okay, I think I can lift it up. There we go. Boy, that smells so good. Can't wait to take a shower. All right. Look at that. She put a smiley face in there. She does that every time. Always puts a note in there too. Look at that. Look at all that soap. So let's look at the flavors. Chamomile peppermint. Oh yeah, and check this out. It's got chamomile and peppermint in it. Those are chamomile flowers. Isn't that cool? Man, this stuff smells so good. Oh, wow. My soap is handmade with saponified olive and coconut oils, essential oils, organic herbs, flowers, spices, grains, and pure spring water. Best if used in a clawfoot tub. Big Sur Country Soap. You can find it on the internet, bigsursoap.com. Chamomile peppermint. This stuff is so good. She's got so many good recipes or flavors. I like to call them flavors. Anise and red clover. And this smells like licorice. And that's red clover and little bits of anise seed in there too. Oh wow, man, that smells like black licorice. It's really good. Sea kelp. This smells like peppermint. Yeah, because they put peppermint and the sea kelp in there. And this is sage, and it's very mild. It doesn't have a whole lot of scent. Not a whole lot. You know, like how sage is. But it's really good on the skin. Cherry oat poppy scrub. Oh yeah. See those poppy seeds? Look at that. It turns into like sandpaper. Not like sandpaper, but you know, it's scrubby. Boy, I tell you, that stuff really works for getting you clean. I don't buy a whole bunch of those ones, but vanilla cinnamon. It's my first. Oh, that smells good. My first time with this one. And she always throws in a free cedar rose or free mini bar. Chamomile, peppermint, sea kelp, sage, rosemary, and aloe. Oh, there we go. Rosemary and aloe. That's my first time with this one. Oh, wow. Look at that. It has something on the top of the soap. Some of our soaps have got like a crust to them. That's rosemary, folks. Oh, wow. That smells good. I think I'm going to try that one next. That smells good. Ginger spice, lavender, lemongrass. I got 20 bars. 20 bars of soap. Pretty cool, huh? All right. I would never get excited over soap in my younger years, but let me tell you, you get up in age and you start feeling all the effects of all that bad stuff, bad chemicals you put on your skin and stuff. Believe me, most of the soap you buy in the store is really junk for you. You might be able to clean some dishes with it, but it's not a very good choice for your own skin, if you catch my drift. These are completely 100% natural, handmade, and from the very best ingredients. They're only like about $9 each, I think. Let me see here. $7.50 each. But when you buy a bunch of them, you get free shipping. That was for 20. $163.13. All right, just let you know. Quality does cost, but it is well worth it. A shower with one of these soaps, and you will understand what I'm talking about and why I'm so excited about it. Believe me, your very first time you'll notice it. Check it out, BigSurSoap.com.